The downrange is clear. Shooters based on range. Assume you alert.
There's another one.
This will be drill 1, stage 3. Multiple targets with position change. On the command contact, fire 1 control pair standing on the left, to 1 control pair standing on the right in a time limit of 6 seconds. Shooter stand by. Contact. Ceasefire. Shooters, take a knee, conduct a tactical reload with a magazine of 19 rounds. Once you've reloaded with a magazine of 19 rounds, start to assess the standing, place your weapon on safe and assume the alert.
Hey, coaches. Hey, you need to be up here.
Hey, you need to be ready.
Boss, calling ready.
There's Blackburn.
I'm ready in the lane.
Right here.
Ready on the big end.
What target are you on? 57. Make sure you fill out your paper and give it to your coach.
Ready on the little end. On the command contact, fire 1 control pair standing on turn left, 1 control pair kneeling on turn right in a time limit of 9 seconds. Shooter stand by. Contact. Ceasefire. Same drill, shooter, same drill. Shooter stand by. Contact. Ceasefire. On the command contact, fire 1 fan the drill kneeling on turn left and 1 fan the drill kneeling on turn right at a time limit of 10 seconds. Shooter stand by. Contact. Ceasefire. Same drill, shooter, same drill. Shooter stand by. Contact. Ceasefire. Shooters, unload. Ensure you have a conditional weapon. Face up range.